Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys liked and subscribed already, or else your coochie hairs are gonna get tangled. But we're gonna do a makeup tutorial that everybody has been asking me for. I did do an eyebrow tutorial before this video, so go look at that first and then come back to this video so I could give you the finishing look of it all. So I start by prepping my skin. We want a soft base, so I use this daily moisturizer, and then I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128. All the products that I'm using are going to be linked down below. They're on my Amazon storefront, but you could find all of these like at CVS if you don't want to buy them online. But okay, I start by using this little paintbrush that I bought at Target. They were like $5 for like a bunch, but I just love this brush. So then I go in with my beauty blender and I just tap, because honestly stroking it, pause, like it doesn't give the texture that I want. Like we want it to look soft, powdery, pressed in, so you just tap 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 in. Honestly, take your time doing it, okay? This is not a race. Then I'm using this liquid blush from Half Caked and the shade is New Classic. I'm not gonna cut this part out where I'm blending the blush on this side, because I want you guys to see how long I'm actually taking to blend it. Like, take your time with it, bring you close to me, But if I went like you listening to Joe to see, I've been taking it slow. Okay, so then I take the leftover blush on the flat side of my beauty blender and kind of just rub it on my nose, because I don't want it to be too harsh, and it gives it just a light, like it's not too dark. I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 1, and I'm just applying it to like the inner corner. We are going to drag this down, but I just let the concealer sit for a little bit and let it get tacky, so then it won't move around while it's still kind of sinking into my skin. And in the meantime it's getting tacky, I use this Kimchi bronzer in the shade 05. I love this bronzer because I don't have to use a lot of product, and it's like a perfect shade of brown for my skin tone. I don't know what brush this is, because this was gifted to me like 2 years ago for Christmas, but okay, but look how soft that looks. And like I said, blend until your hand feels like it's about to break. So now I blend out my concealer. I kind of go a little bit down. We are going to stack the concealer just to make it a little more brighter in the inner corner, and for this one I don't move the concealer around a lot. I just keep it right there in the inner corner. And in the meantime, we're gonna bronze my forehead that's barely even there, but just add some color into it. Meanwhile, that still gets tacky. And I'm just taking the leftover bronzer on the brush and kind of doing that little jawline, because the double chin is double chinning. And now I'm gonna blend it out, kind of keeping it right there in the center. So I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 05. It's a loose powder, and I'm only applying it to the inner corner of my eyes because I want that to be the brightest. I do this so then when I do my nose bronzer, I don't go lower, so then my nose bronzer, like my nose contour, is like right where I want it. I start by going around the light where the light is hitting my nose bridge, and then I kind of make my nose a little higher. Like I make the whole bottom of my nose disappear, so then it gives the illusion that my nose is smaller and more buttoned up. And then I go with the clean brush and I just blend everything out. It don't matter how long you're blending, like make it look nice. This is not a race, like I said. And then I get this flat brush to kind of make the top of my nose a little darker, just because I want it to like really look like a button nose. And then I'm gonna get the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 05, and I'm gonna carve my nose out. Okay, we're gonna do that. We're gonna put powder all over our face, but I also do show when I carve my nose. A little pumpkin mermaid. And then I do the bridge of my nose, the tip, and my eyebrows. I love doing my eyebrows like this because it makes them last longer, especially in the summer, because my face would get oily and then my eyebrows would look a little like shiny, and then the powder is what keeps them matte and like even last longer. Like I'll wake up and my makeup still looks like this, bro. So before I put on my eyelashes, we're gonna use this tubing mascara, totally tubular, in the shade The Ultimate. I love this tubing mascara because it literally wraps around your hair and it makes it easy to like come off when you wash it. Like it comes out like little worms because it's not on your hair, it's wrapped around. Okay, but I'm using these Beauty Creations eyelashes in the shade, in the style Babe Wash, and this eyelash glue, super strong. I got it at CVS. So I put the eyelash glue on the eyelash strip, and then I do a eyeliner line with the lash glue on my eyelid. I noticed that I've done this like with a lot of eyelash glues. It doesn't matter the brand, and it always stays because I feel like when you put it on your eyelid and the water and the lash strip, it works like a magnet, you know, right? Like science. 2 plus 2 is 4. Like I said, everything is linked down below except for the eyelashes. I couldn't find them on Amazon, but they're from Beauty Creations. And then I just pinched them together, like the glue and the waterline, I guess you can say. I'm going in with this Juvia's Place loose highlighter in the shade Cleo. This has lasted me like 2-3 years, bro. Like, this is so much highlighter. I swear it feels like it doesn't even go down. So we're adding it to the inner corner of my eyes and bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose, so where the light is hitting it and we want it to look brighter. I do put it on my Cupid's bow, but then I kind of cover it up with my lip liner, so there's no point. Then we're going to use it on the cheekbones. Dude, I'm in love with this highlighter. Like, highlight is my favorite thing ever. So for my lip combo, I use this Knobby eyebrow pencil. I don't know, I just really like this shade, and I don't have any lip liners other than this shade, so we use a eyebrow pencil. And then I'm gonna get the NYX Professional Black eyeliner because it's super thin and I love just making the outside of my lips darker. Then I'm gonna go in with this 12 lip liner matte dupes. I don't know what, I got it on TikTok shop. I get in the shade 311 and then I put it all over the middle because I use foundation, but foundation, it gets crusty, you know, so I really like using lip liner for the middle. Lastly, I just add black eyeliner to my waterline, and that's it. That's literally the finishing look. I feel like what really does it for me is the blending, how much I blend, how much I take my time with my makeup. But I swear it's worth it. Like, you don't have to take a long ass time. Just blend until your hand is literally falling off your arm. Okay, but that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love all of you. Take care. Happy New Year.